very close to the Waterloo station. There's a place called Lebanese Grill. They do have the crafted chicken and lamb shawarmas. So I'm gonna go get it and gonna go outside and eat it and let you know. I walked by this place yesterday and wasn't busy. Right now it's not busy, but it's middle of the afternoon. So what I'm thinking is that it's just the time of the day. But I hope I'm gonna have a good kebab, and I have this fried salami. So I got the kebab. I was gonna eat inside because I don't think the guy would mind, but they're playing music in the background, so I could not record. And so I'm over here. There's the hospital right here. There's a building right here. It's a nice little cozy spot. It's the place. I went inside and I wanted to order the chicken. They didn't have the chicken because they just started a whole new chicken done. So I tried a little bit. I asked the guy to give me a piece of meat from the lamb, and tasted really good. Nothing like the minced meat. Okay. But it's similar to the one place I had they give you tomatoes, onions, and pickles, and the sausage. There's no lettuce, cabbage, and carrots. But the meat is really good. Meat is really good. Lamb is really good. I didn't expect that because of the minced meat. It has like the unique taste to it. I just never kind of. But the real lamb, it's really, really good. The bash is under the counter. The guy, they have to just deliver up, get it. The wrap. One thing about this kebab, you can see the wrap is kind of falling apart. but the kebab is not bad.
Although of course he didn't come back, didn't see him, so I thought that
The
was
chili sauce, garlic sauce, you know, other than, and then they put it on the grill to sear it from both sides. It's nice. It's much better than the mincemeat. It was only like 7. Really, really surprised. I mean, I thought this was gonna be a disaster because of because no lettuce, no cabbage. You know, I think it was very surprising, man. It's a good, solid kebab. In its own way, I mean, the pickles, tomato and the onion, and the sauces. It's the only thing you get, and the wrap. And meat is well seasoned. I took it because I asked the guy who was about to walk out, because he says he doesn't have a chicken. So I can try the lamb. And the lamb meat was surprisingly very, very good. Lebanese grill, shawarma. Within a baseball throw to the shawarma bros. One of the best kebabs I have in London. This kebab is different because it's a lamb, but it's, you know, it's a good kebab. I'd like to come back and try the chicken, but if the lamb is as good as this, I'm 100,000% sure that the chicken is gonna be very good. Very happy with this kebab. Sometimes you go to get something and you end up with something else. This place must get a lot of business from the hospital here. Very good kebab. I'm genuinely surprised. very good kebab. I begin to like the lamb, the steak, the lamb kebabs, but not the minced meat. Just the lamb like a chicken on the burner, you know. Very good. I think this place has like a 4.1 star. I think the rating is right on the money. I think the rating is right on the money. So, you know, good, satisfactory kebab. If I live here, if I want a kebab, definitely place because of the price. It was very inexpensive. It was only £7. With the soda, it was 7.5. So it was very inexpensive. The kebab wasn't huge. Small size. So if you're really hungry, you probably, you know, I didn't get two of them, but still two of them would be, over there you would spend to get the large one, you would spend almost 12, you would spend probably about the same money at the shawarma place. It's the one $12.50, the large size, and a drink, $14.50, so you will get, for a pound, you will get two. So you get two different ones, or you get a mix. So, 4.1, very good kebab, very happy with it. And there's always a stream of people. Somebody comes in, somebody comes out. Like I said, it's a neighborhood kebab. I just grabbed it, went that way, probably lives around in the neighborhood. It's a very you know, each neighborhood over here, it's so different. This is mixed people, like Lebanese, Turkish, you know, all kinds of people from that area. And they serve the community, you know, so very good kebab overall. I would give, like I said, I would give the 4.1. It's well deserved. It's good solid kebab. Nice row buildings. I like the color on those two buildings, the orange and the yellow, next to the library. And 125 people die here, Southwark. At the fast restaurant, having a little Turkish tea and baklava. The tea tastes awesome. Baklava. pistachio baklava is good. They don't make it here, but whoever they get it from does a good job. It may be over there. If not, I look it up on the app.